Hello guys, and welcome back to the Startup Brain TV, the platform to inspire, empower, and connect entrepreneurs worldwide. If you're new to my channel, welcome on board and thanks for stopping by. My channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and helping you start an online business that can allow you to work from home or anywhere in the world so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. So if you're interested in all that type of content, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, and welcome back on board. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing to you guys another exciting one. I'm going to be talking about how you can actually create passive income or additional income in your life with no money or investment whatsoever. So if you're interested in finding out more, then you better grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, hot chocolate, a glass of wine, water. Make yourself comfortable, grab a pen and paper, and let's get right into it. Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. So I'm going to start off by defining what passive income is. There's a lot of definitions out there of passive income, but I'm going to be breaking it down in the way that I personally understand it, okay, and the way that I hope you guys can also understand it. So passive income, in my opinion, refers to ongoing or recurring income that you can generate over and over and over again without being physically present. So it's basically money that you can make without being physically present or active. So when you think about active income, which is the opposite of passive income, you can think about a 9-to-5 job, for example, where you basically have to go to work every single day, 9 to 5 on a Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday, and you're essentially getting paid for the hours that you sacrifice to work. And if you don't show up to work, you do not get paid, okay? So now that's active income, and that's what a lot of us, a majority of us in society, are used to. Passive income, on the other hand, is basically the opposite of active income. It's the process whereby you do not need to be physically present, so you don't have to sacrifice your time for money all the time. Instead, you can make your money work for you. So that could be through things like investments. Say, for example, you've invested in rental property and you've got tenants who are currently living in your property. You're guaranteed money every single month. So you do not physically need to do anything. So you don't have to physically build that property every single month in order to make money. The property is already there. It's already been constructed. And what you're essentially earning is regular income passively, okay? Now, of course, you're gonna have to do things like maintenance and any tenant issues that you have, but that's usually just a one-off activity that you need to perform. But in terms of making money, you're guaranteed to make money every single month. So you could decide to quit your job, you could decide to travel the world and do the things you enjoy with a guarantee that you're going to be getting that money every single month. So passive income, in my opinion, is basically money that you can generate on an ongoing basis whilst absent, okay? So you don't have to be physically present to work and trade your time for money all the time in order to make that money. You can also get passive income from things like stocks and bonds, which I wouldn't recommend because, I mean, I don't do that. I see them as gambles because you're basically investing money in the unknown, okay? You're hoping for the best. Hopefully the stock prices are going to go up, and if the prices go up, you're going to make money, but if they go down, you have the potential to lose money. So it's not really guaranteed. And you can also make money from things like starting an online business, which is my all-time favorite, and that's what I'm personally using at the moment. I've got different passive streams of income that I currently use to generate a full-time income for myself. I work from home at the moment, and I've also got an office that I work from when the need arises. But all in all, I have the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. I've created several income streams that are bringing me money every single month, and I could honestly never look back. Not to talk about the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. I get to wake up when I want. I literally don't even set my alarm clock anymore. Like my body clock literally wakes me up. I get to check my emails when I want. I get to respond to emails when I want. I have the flexibility to set my own timetable, work according to my own schedule, go on holidays whenever and wherever I want to, and get to work from anywhere. If I want to work from home today, I can work from home today. If I want to work from a cafe, I can take my laptop, go to a cafe and work there. Or if I want to work from the office, I can also go to the office and work there as well. It's really up to me, you know. So this is one of the biggest advantages of having passive income in your life. You don't need to quit your full-time job just yet, okay? I'm not saying go and quit your job and start an online business, because it's going to take a while, but you need that patience, dedication, and of course consistency in order to see any results. So now I've talked about passive income, and I know I'm probably babbling around for too long, probably boring you guys by now. I'm going to be talking about a few ways you can actually get started with creating passive income for yourself as a beginner. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now and you want to create passive income for yourself, then there's a few things that you can get started with. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is come up with an idea. So what type of business do you want to start? I want you to treat this as a business and not just as a money-making machine, because it's not going to work. If your passion isn't there, if you're not passionate about that business, it's going to show in your business. It's going to show in how much time and how much effort you dedicate to that business, okay? So make sure that whatever you're starting is something that you're essentially passionate about. What are your skills? What are your passions? What's your area of expertise? What do people compliment you for? Start brainstorming on all these different activities, you know. Do you enjoy swimming? Do you enjoy cycling? Do you enjoy gardening? There's a lot of different ways you can convert your passions into an actual passive income idea. So now you've got an idea on what you want to do. The next step, of course, is getting yourself online. In order to get yourself online, of course, because we're talking about the free tips, you're gonna have to get yourself a blog, okay? Your blog is kind of like an online diary that allows you to create content and share that content with the world, okay? So what you're gonna need is a platform to create that content. There's free platforms out there such as blogger.com and wordpress.com. You can basically register for a free account in either of those platforms and start creating content around your passions and your interests, which we looked at in the previous step, okay? Now, once you have a blog up and running, the next step, of course, is to get yourself some traffic. There's no point being on the internet if nobody knows about you. There's billions of people on the internet these days. So you need to make sure that you're essentially reaching out to people who want to find out more about your content. So in order to do that, there's different ways you can start promoting and advertising your blog to the world. You can use search engine optimization, which is basically using keywords that are most relevant to your niche. So if your niche or your passion or your area of interest, for example, is on makeup, and you've decided to offer people advice on how to do your makeup, how to wear your eyelashes, how to do your extensions, I don't know, and all the other makeup things that come with, you know, being a makeup artist, then essentially what you want to do is you want to use keywords within your blog that are most relevant to people who are looking for tips on how to do makeup. So once you start creating that content on how to do makeup, the more content you create, the more Google is likely to rank your blog high within its search engine. So essentially what's going to happen is when people go on Google searching for how to do your makeup or how to wear your eyelashes, Google is going to recommend your website within its first few searches, okay? And that means you're essentially gaining free traffic and visitors to your blog every single day. And the more visitors you get to your blog, the more likely you are to make money from your blog as well, okay? Now you're probably wondering how you actually make money from just creating content and getting people to your blog. There's different ways you can start generating income passively. Now you can use things like Google AdSense, where you basically allow Google to paste adverts on your blog, okay? And when anyone goes to your blog and clicks on any of those adverts, Google pays you a commission, okay? And another way you can make money from your blog is also through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically refers to promoting brands and other companies and essentially making money from those brands. So say for example you're into makeup, then what you can do is you can partner up with big brands like Maybelline, Revlon, and all the different makeup brands out there, and then you can start promoting your products on your blog. So every time someone comes to your blog and clicks on that product and purchases that product, these brands pay you a commission. So that could be 15%, 20%, 25%, and this is how a lot of influencers actually make money these days. They use affiliate marketing where they work with other brands, collaborate with other brands, refer their customers and their fans and the followers to these brands, and these brands pay them a commission. And another way to make money passively on your blog is to sell your own products. So say for example you are a business coach or you are a makeup artist as well, you can then essentially advertise your own personal services within your blog. So when people go to your blog and they read information on how to do makeup and they want to find out more information, they can essentially contact you to teach them one-on-one. You could become a makeup coach, who knows. Once you have a blog up and running and you have all those people coming to your website, everything pretty much starts to fall in place. Okay, you can start creating passive income indefinitely, creating recurring income whilst you sleep, whilst you spend time with your family and friends, and you don't really need any fancy office software staff or employees to help you create this income in the long run. And as time goes on, what you realize that your income starts to double, triple, quadruple, and before you know it, you're making millions a year from this side hustle. Again, as I mentioned, you can start this with no money whatsoever. However, if you want to take it to the next level, I highly recommend that you invest in things like a domain name, invest in a proper hosting platform, invest in a lead generation software and autoresponder such as Aweber that allows you to build long-term relationships with your clients. This is the only way you're going to build a long-term sustainable business from this. You can get started for free, test the waters and see how things go. And if you like the results and if you're enjoying yourself, you can then invest in more of the premium services to take your business to the next level. All these tools are going to help you rank better within Google. And in doing so, you can actually generate passive income quicker than you would if you decided to stick to the free options that I've previously mentioned. Now, of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to creating passive income with no money. If you're interested in finding out more information, more in-depth on how you can actually create passive income for yourself, so you can start working from home, you can start making money full-time at the side, you can live that life of freedom and fulfillment whilst making money recurringly, then I strongly recommend that you check out my book, The 21 Day Boss. Now, this book is actually available on Amazon, so you can go on amazon.com, amazon.co.uk, or the relevant Amazon for your country and just search The 21 Day Boss. It's actually a book that is aimed at helping you start your own online business step by step in the matter of just 21 days. It can help you start an online business, create more wealth, and basically make your money work for you using passive income strategies. I go more in depth into the different passive income ideas you can look into. I'm not just talking about the ideas, but I talk about how to get started. So there's a lot of actionable steps in this book that will teach you everything you need to know about creating passive income for yourself. And I'm going to leave the link down below. If you're interested, then go check out the 21 Day Boss book. Super amazing, and I strongly recommend it to you guys. Alternatively, if you love learning visually through watching videos and things like that, then I recommend you check out the Income Reap Academy. It's an online platform that actually teaches you step by step how to start different types of online businesses and passive income streams for yourself. You can get started absolutely free of charge. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful in creating passive income with no money whatsoever. Don't forget to like this video, share with anyone you feel will be inspired by my content, and of course don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. That way I'm able to create more content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video. Bye for now.